In every single human lies a source of superhuman abilities. From the makers of epinephrine and norepinephrine, the adrenal medulla brings you fight or flight, a reaction to save your life.
Throughout this compilation, we will show examples of situations that initiate the fight or flight response. In response to stressful situations, the adrenal medulla releases hormones to activate the body into a hyperactive state, known as the fight or flight response. This biological response releases 80% epinephrine and 20% norepinephrine into the bloodstream. This response will either trigger the body of the startled individual to either run for their life,
Run.
or fight for your life.
Okay, it's 7:56, 4 minutes, you're letting out the bulls.
During this response, the eyes will dilate in order for more light to enter into the pupil, therefore improving vision.
What's going on?
Heart rate and blood pressure increase to move blood more quickly to extremities. This will improve speed and alertness, as well as increase flow to muscle to allow for a quick getaway. As blood flow increases, muscle contractility increases, improving speed and strength. With increased demand on the body, blood glucose will rise to supply energy to muscle. The body will trigger glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. These actions break down amino acids, fatty acids, and convert glycogen to glucose to activate and provide more energy to the brain and musculoskeletal system. Digestion and urine production are inhibited as these processes are not essential to survive. The release of epinephrine and norepinephrine can be released by things like emotional stress. Some examples may include failing an exam or finding out a spouse is cheating. It can also be triggered by shock, fear, like an animal attack, someone startling you unexpectedly, and even exercise. The most primal example of instincts to activate this response is running for your life from an animal. More commonly in current society, this response is a reaction to social abnormalities, like being startled or stressed.
Tyrone?
Are you going trick-or-treating?
No, probably not.
As you can see, some people's first reaction is not to run, but to attack the stimulus that is triggering the response. This would be considered the fight response. Bronchioles also dilate during extreme cases of stress. This allows for the body to obtain more oxygen so that it can survive. A synthetic form of epinephrine is used for anaphylactic shock to open bronchial airways so that the patient may breathe. Pheochromocytoma. This is a rare condition that presents with a benign tumor in the adrenal gland. This condition increases production of epinephrine, which increases blood pressure, increases risk of heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. Treatment consists of removal of the adrenal gland.
No.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
It might be a tumor.
It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor at all.
This concludes our video on the adrenal medulla. We really enjoyed making this. This project was a lot of fun. We learned a lot. Hopefully we covered everything. This video will be sent to you guys via Canvas, and the handout has some additional information on it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let us know. We can answer those now, since we'll have Miss Tyson here to help us out. We did this video so that we could avoid this type of physical response from being nervous in front of everyone. The video was harder than we thought to make, but it was totally worth it, and now it'll last forever.
Or you guys can delete it, and that's cool too. So hope you liked it, and have a great weekend.